Hi guys, thanks for watching. My name's Vanessa. Today I'm going to film a haul on some of the products that I recently got from Sephora and BH Cosmetics. So I'll do the Sephora ones first. I've recently been trying to lighten my hair and I just find that it's hard to find an oil that's not too heavy for lighter hair, and this one's really nice. It adds shine, it's not heavy or greasy. And I like to put it on my hair when it's wet and then just let it air dry or blow dry it. Thirsty Mud Mask. I've tried the black version and the white version of these and I really like them, so I thought I would try this one just because it is hydrating and I have really dry skin, especially in the winter. So I'll try this and let you know it smells really good. The Cover FX Custom Enhancement Drops, and this is in the shade Moonlight. I'll just show you here. One drop is kind of all you need. It's like super pigmented. You can see. I'm really liking it. I find it gives a really nice glow to the skin. I'm wearing it today. Another thing that I got was the Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I just really liked the colors of this. I've used it several times and I find the colors are really pigmented. They blend really well and I'm just really happy with it. So let me know if you want to look or any. Tarte blush. It's like a holiday edition one, sorry. It has so many different colors. It looks so pretty. And I think it's a really good deal, I guess, for all these colors. You have a lot to play with. So I haven't tried that one yet, but I will. I also got their brush set. It just looks really pretty. I love this stand as well, and I love the detailing on the brush. So I haven't used these yet, but I'll let you know if I like it. And then I also got this Tangle Teezer, just a hairbrush. It's just less tug and pull, I guess, than a regular brush, so you don't lose as many hairs. My hair's been kind of damaged since going lighter, so I need all the help I can get, but I have been liking it. I also got another set of beauty blenders. It just has two beauty blenders, the little thing to clean it, and then also the beauty blender for concealer. So I'll try those out. I haven't tried the little ones yet. Have you guys tried them? Do you like them? And then I also got this Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer by IT Cosmetics. I was excited about this because it has anti-aging properties in it as well. I've tried it a couple times. I love it for days that I don't wear any mascara, just like a natural day. I find it great. But concealer do you guys like for dry skin? If any of you guys out there have dry skin, what's your favorite concealers? I've been struggling to find a good one. Another thing that I repurchased was this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I've used this for years. I just find it really nice before eyeshadows. It gives you a good base. It makes your eyeshadows look more pigmented. And also I find that they last all day with this as well. The CC cream from IT Cosmetics. I've tried a sample of this and I've really been loving it. I've been using it for the last month or so. It gives a really, I'm wearing it today, it gives a really natural finish. I find it's not cakey or anything. It almost gives a bit of a dewiness to the skin. Also, it has some benefits for anti-aging as well, and it has SPF 50, which I love because I always forget to wear sunscreen and it's really good for anti-aging. I also love that it doesn't smell like sunscreen. It almost smells citrusy or something, but no sunscreen smell. And I would say it has a light to medium coverage, but it is quite buildable. Another thing that I got is the Bite Beauty Holiday Set. I'm wearing the color Sugarcane today, which is this one. I really like it. It's really creamy and pigmented, and they're so cute. They're like minis, perfect for your purse or anything. I do really like the Bite Cosmetics formula. I find their lipsticks really creamy and pigmented, and I also like that they have good ingredients, so you're not putting a bunch of chemicals on your lips. Got the Sea Berry Skin Nutrition Cleansing Oil. I was really looking for a good cleansing oil to remove makeup because I've done some research And I've heard that a lot of the times when you get breakouts from like sunscreen or makeup with sunscreen, it's not even the makeup that's causing you to break out. It's just that a lot of oils and cleansers can't take sunscreen off properly. So when I went to Sephora, the lady working there really recommended this one. I've tried it. You just put it on your skin dry and then kind of massage it around, and then you add a little bit of water and it kind of emulsifies. It's taken off like everyday makeup really well. For me, I haven't tried it with a heavy makeup or waterproof makeup yet, so I'll have to try it and let you guys know, but I'm really happy with it so far. And I find it doesn't leave my skin oily or greasy after. But if you're someone that's really sensitive to that after an oil cleanser, like some people use an oil cleanser and then a normal cleanser too. But with this one, I feel like I didn't have to, which is nice. And then I'm really excited about this. I also got the Fresh Rose Toner. Just get another package here. It's so pretty. So I got this. I've been wanting it for a while just because it's so pretty. I also saw online that it had really good reviews, and also it's supposed to be a hydrating toner, so I'm excited to try that, and I'll let you guys know what I think. What is your guys' favorite skincare? So next is some products that I got from BH Cosmetics. BH Cosmetics always has sales, so I recommend if you're going to get something from them, just to kind of put it in your cart and wait for a sale, because they always have them. I got this cream contour kit. I got 2 for 1, a deal on this. And I used this shade today. I find it really creamy and really easy to blend. Blends out really nice. I also got their their face brush kit. It's a 10-piece kit and it was really affordable as well. And I find they're really good. Like the 3 that I've used today, I used this one to put the contour on, this one for my CC cream, and this one to blend the contour out. And they're just really soft and fluffy, and they blend things out really well. I'm really happy with them. And the whole reason that I got the stuff from BH Cosmetics is I was really wanting to get this palette, and I'm sure you guys have seen it before. It's the Carly Bible Deluxe Edition palette. And I've been using it for a while now, and I just really love it. You have so many colors, highlights. Like I find you have a really good selection, and they're really good quality and pigmented as well. So I've been really happy with that. So that's everything for my haul. Another tip, I guess, that I use is whenever I shop, I mostly shop online, and I use Ebates as well, just so I get cash back with my purchases. I'll have all the products linked below, and also the Ebates information if you guys don't know about that. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you want reviews on any of these or a makeup look or anything like that. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.